Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes po! Mother's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to show your love to your mom by making them some cupcakes? So today, I'll be teaching you how to make sunflower lemon cupcakes. So subscribe now so you won't miss any upcoming videos! The inspiration for today's cupcakes is my mom. My mom loves sunflowers and lemons. So I'm gonna make a lemon cupcake decorated with sunflowers. What you're gonna need to make this sunflower lemon cupcakes is we start with our magic batter. The magic batter can be transformed into any cupcake you like. Make sure to check the details below on how to make this magic batter. We are going to transform it into lemon cupcakes. We add our vanilla pudding. This is gonna make it very creamy. We add our lemon extract. That already smells so good. And some vanilla extract. And then we add the lemon zest. So for this recipe, you're gonna need about half of a lemon zest. That smells so good. Zest, zest, zest. It smells really good. To add color to my cupcake batter, I'd like to add a couple of drops of the yellow Wilton colorite. And then we give it a little mix. Look at that. Sunshine Daisies Buttermellow. Turn this cupcake batter yellow! It is now yellow like the sunshine. And then, using an ice cream scooper, I'm going to transfer my cupcake batter into this lemon cupcake tins. You can find all the links to the products that I use in this video in the details below. My ice cream scooper is broken. Okay. And then, we bake this for 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Ouch! That is hot. And now my favorite part. It's time for us to decorate. Happy Mother's Day! Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video to all of your friends. On the comment section below, tell me what you would like to see in the next video. Thanks for watching! Happy Mother's Day! Love you, Ma! See you again next week.